In this strategy, we are only going to use two simple and practical indicators, and with some simple explanation about this strategy, we'll achieve good profit and increase our balance. As always, choose your symbol, then go to the time frame and set it to 5 minutes. Now go to the indicator tab and search for QQE mod. The indicator you see is not suitable in this way and it needs to be changed. So go to its settings and leave the input tab as default. Just keep the QQE line and level ticks in the style tab and change the color of the level. The QQE indicator is a primary indicator that gives us buy and sell signals. When it moves from bottom to top and crosses the zero line, buy signals appear for us. And when the QQE line crosses the zero line from top to bottom, sell signals appear for us. Here it has given us a buy signal and we can place a buy order. For example, here the QQE line has given us a sell signal, so we can place a sell order. But when the market is sideways, like in these examples, we have false signals and should not enter the trades. Even when the QQE line is horizontal, we should not enter the trades. Now, for more accuracy in this strategy, we need to add the second indicator. In the indicator tab, search for Trend Magic. Click on it and go to its settings. Change CCI period from 20 to 50 and ATR period from 5 to 6. And in the Style tab, change the color 0 to green. Buy setup. Now, when you see a buy signal on the QQE indicator, pay attention to the color of the Trend Magic indicator and wait for its color to change to green as well. When this happens, we can place a buy order and set the stop loss below the previous low of the market. And risk to reward ratio will be 1 to 1.5. Be careful not enter a trade when the QQE line has crossed from bottom to top but the Trend Magic indicator is still red. Let's look at a few buy examples together. Sell setup. Here we see the QQE line has crossed from above the zero line to below and given us a sell signal. Now we just need the Trend Magic indicator to change color to red so we can enter a trade. In this case, we set our stop loss above the previous high of the market. And risk to reward ratio will be 1 to 1.5. Let's look at a few sell examples. Thank you for watching the video until the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe.